Hey, Seth and Tori Bolt here, and we're about to take you behind the scenes for our short-term rental workshop.
Yeah, in less than 2 hours, we're welcoming a bunch of short-term rental business owners and helping them scale their business.
If you are serious about short-term rental success, this is the workshop that will get you there.
We're sharing everything we know so that we can save you time and money.
Your breakthrough is on the other side of your embarrassment. You need to surround yourself with people who, when you share your dreams with them, they don't go like, well, that sounds pretty risky. There's two ways to learn: mistakes and mentors. People say there's no shortcut to success, but mentors are your shortcut to success.
So the opportunity to come and learn from them, they've really been pioneers in this space for such a long time. Regardless of the price, we knew that we would get a ton of value in return from it.
I mean, just on the first day alone, the tools that I learned and even the connections that I made within the room have already made that value come back to me, and we're not even scratching the surface yet.
So our philosophy is like, build your company around your strengths and what you're good at, build your team around your weaknesses.
So a brand is not a logo, right? A brand is not a marketing tagline. A brand is how you act every day, right? It's not about motivation, it's about consistency, it's about resilience, right? And it's about persistence.
Get here and you find out the real story, the grit and the determination. They had the audacity to bet on themselves. They're telling us their story, but really it's a testimony. They went through those things so that they could then turn and teach others. They kicked some doors down and now they're pulling other people through, and that is a blessing. It's so inspiring, and it just gives us the power, the strength to keep going.
This experience has given us a bit of a roadmap, but we were able to kind of use their experience and craft maybe our plan going forward.
Focus has been one of our superpowers. And in order to say yes to the main thing, you have to say no to so many things. And we've gotten really, really good at that.
When I focus on my business, I probably focused on 5 or 6 areas. I was like, oh, I'm missing a few,
Yeah, we're so confused and we just don't know what's the next step. And they are holding our hand, taking us step by step. It's a great, great, great service they're doing for everybody.
They say it's lonely at the top. It's not. But sometimes it can be lonely as you're transitioning to the top or from one tier to another. Because oftentimes, in order to make room for those new relationships, you have to let go of others. The rearview mirror is smaller than the windshield for a reason.
At what point do you think we started to invest in mentorship and communities that we could learn from?
Hey.
Yeah, exactly. You know, what I'd like to do for you guys in here is fold this paper in half and save you from the first part of this equation.
You know, just watching their story and seeing what they overcame. Not only am I going to come away with real strategies and real actionable information, I'm also going to have the motivation that it makes me believe that, I can truly get it done too.
We think we made a good decision, and now we're more motivated than we were before.
Absolutely.
That's great also.
The last couple of days have empowered us to just get really clear on the vision of what we're trying to accomplish. With them being so transparent and walking us through all the successes and all the failures, it just encourages you, you know what, I can do this too. I can do what they've done.
Definitely a motivational piece as well, to be able to see someone that's in front of you doing these things, learn how they were successful, and then being able to take those insights and that value back home when you leave, and being able to apply them and execute.
In 2026, I feel like everything that we projected, I can have done and move forward with it. And it's because of being here, and it's given me a lot of courage. So thank you guys.
I love that belief statement.
To be in a room full of people that think like me, did something for my soul.
You're not just giving it to us, it's families, possibly generations. This is generational, you all.
What you're building are places that change lives. So the impact that you have goes beyond your family.
I mean, you changed my mindset, you changed our mindset. The impact you had on us and potentially generations after that, I mean, you can't measure that. This is the best thing I've been a part of.